Tired of sending the same message to multiple people? Let's simplify your life by learning how to create a group chat on your iPhone. First, open the Messages app on your iPhone and tap the Compose message icon, usually located in the top right corner. This starts a new message. Next, in the To field, begin typing the names or phone numbers of the people you want to include in your group chat. As you type, suggested contacts will appear. Tap on each person to add them. Continue adding all the people you want in your group. You'll see their names or numbers populate in the recipient field above the keyboard. Now type your initial message in the text field at the bottom of the screen and tap the Send button, which is the arrow pointing upwards. Congratulations! You've started a group chat. By default, it will be a text message group. To create an iMessage group, make sure everyone in the group is using an Apple device. To name your group, tap on the contact icons or profile pictures at the very top of the conversation. This will bring up the group details. Tap the Info button, which is usually an eye inside a circle located next to the contact pictures. Here, you can change the group name by tapping Change Name and Photo. Type in your desired group name and tap down on the keyboard. In this same screen, you can also add more participants by selecting Add Contact, manage notifications, and even leave the group if you ever need to. And that's how you create and manage group chats on your iPhone. For more iPhone tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel.